This meeting is being recorded.
So, i-off ko muna yung video kasi irrelevant naman. So, start video. Tapos, done. Okay. Tapos, saan yan? Does it work? Yes. Okay, looks like it works.
It works po, pero hindi po kami kami makasulat. Dapat po i-set na po sa ayun po, i-request po na.
Nagre-request po ng edit.
Sige.
Yun po.
Universal access allowed. Okay. So, may access na kayo?
Po.
Ayun.
Sige. Pwede kasing gamitin nyo yung yung whiteboard na ginagamit ninyo. Tapos, pwedeng dito ako magsulat. Or, pwedeng dito kayo sa Jamboard magsulat, tapos annotate ko na lang din dito.
Opo. So, next sa Jamboard nilang po kami mag-ano po na.
Sige. So, pwedeng patingin na lang So, mamaya, kung may kailangan sulat sa Jamboard, kesa yung naka-video. Okay. Yung so patingin ng... Okay. So, let's see. 5x minus 7. 6x minus 8. Okay, next page. Negative 6x minus 1. D is 2y equals x minus 1. Okay. Yung E naman, negative 16x. Okay. And then, number 2. Find the equation of the normal. 2y plus x equals 7. Okay. Next. 10y plus x equals 91. 3y plus 27 equals 56. Okay. Next. Yung sa D. Y equals x plus 2. 8y plus x equals 34. Okay. Yung number 3. Yeah. So 7y. So 7 times 2 is 14. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. Sige, pareho tayo sagot. Next. Zero and 19 and 2/3. Tapos, okay, sige. Next. Negative 5x plus 10. Okay. Number 6.
So, number 7 yata po may tanong siya.
Find the chords and the points. O, sige. Okay. Yung number 7 naman. Next. So, 0, -5. Okay. Next, yung number 8.
Ano ba to? May sa pagsulat. Mali. Dito.
Bakit? Zero.
Hindi ito. Hindi mali dito.
AX cube. AX cube, sorry.
Okay. Kaya, pakita ko sa iyo yung yung solution ko naman. Ito. So yung photo, padala ko yung photo. Para lang makita mo paano ko sineset up. Okay. So, yung ginawa ko naman, sinet up ko siya sa system of 3 equations with 3 unknowns na hindi ko sinimplify beyond yung pansin mo na a plus b plus c and then may 5 equals c and then yung last equation 0 equals 3a plus 2b. Kaya ko siya ginawang ganyan kasi tamad akong mag-substitution. Tapos kung legal gumamit ng calculator, which it is for us,
Yung simple
calculator niya.
Yung
So, sinelap ko na siya as 3 equations, 3 unknowns. So, yung calculator natin, kayang gawin yan. Okay na?
Okay na po.
Sige. So, mostly ano yan eh. Calculator technique lang siya kasi ayoko mag-solve ng systems eh na kahit na 2x2, tinatamad na ako mag-solve ng system sa 2x2. So calculator na gagawa. Unless pangit talaga yung, hindi. Kaya naman kaya mo kasi ng calculator natin eh. So para hindi ka or para hindi lang mag-asa sa oras. Okay. So number 9. O nga pala, meron ba kayong 2mm graphing paper? Or may supply pa kayo?
Pero na yun ba? Yes,
Yung itsura niya parang ganyan. Yung itsura niya, yung may 2mm yung grid. So may minor division at may major divisions.
Wala na. Iba, 5mm yata po sa amin.
Oo. Yun ano po, yung pong yung may maliit na divisions na ano po, tapos may darker ng konti yung 5mm na po.
Oo. So 5mm yung major, tapos 2mm yung, or hindi, sorry. 2mm pa to? Hindi, 1mm pala. Sorry, 2mm. 2mm spacing. Hindi, tinatanong ko lang kasi sa number 11, merong sketch to graph. So, yun. Kasi kung available, okay nang maganda ring makita, maganda ring i-practice yan eh.
Oo nga po. Paggawa ko po sa kanya, tapos yung pasyente po, bilik po kami ng ano po, over the weekend itong ano po ito. Ay bukas ng ano po yun.
Medyo mahirap na maghanap ng 2mm graph paper kasi nag-order pa ako, I think, mula sa Malaysia.
Ay, ganun po. Dati,
Bakit wala po?
dati available po no?
Kasi parang hindi pinapagamit ng mga teachers dito eh. Yung typical na graph paper, yung tig pa 5 eh.
Opo. Ganun po yung amin eh.
Okay. Anyway, kung wala, Desmos na lang tayo mamaya. Okay, x equals,
Kailangan ko rin ng graph dito.
teka, 4, teka, ba't hindi tayo, check ko lang. Ba't di tayo match? Okay, 2x minus 4,
Ano pa po? 4 sa baba.
okay, 7/4.
Nakalimutan ko po i-divide.
Sige. Okay na siya. So, yung number 10,
Highlight mo yung location.
Find the equation of the tangent. Okay. Meron pa siyang ganun. Find the equation of the tangent of the curve. Anyway. Y is equal to... ano? Iba ba ito? X equals 3. Y is equal to 1. X equals 3.
teka kaya. Ano yung tinatanong?
Find the equation of the tangent
Tangent to the curve po.
at the point... At the point... Ano po? Wait lang po. Medyo lang yung problem.
Teka, the tangent at another point A on the curve is perpendicular to the tangent at x equals 3. Calculate the x coordinate of A. So, di ba, at x equals 3, dy dx is 2. So, perpendicular yung tangent sa, yung tangent perpendicular dyan kapag negative 1/2. Kaya di ba nag-solve ka for x equals 7/4. Wala nang ibang tinatanong eh. Teka, check natin, ano? Find the equation of the tangent. Teka, find the equation of the, sorry, meron pa pala. Find the equation of the tangent. So, 2x. Tama. Sige. Pakituloy lang. Yung equation ng tangent, ayusin lang.
Ano ko lang po, medyo nalito po ako. Mali po yun.
Inaantok ko si Paul. Sinusunod.
Kaya pala, okay. 9 minus 9, 10.
Yes, sabi ko ba ang tawag ko.
Ano?
Wait. find the equation of the tangent of the curve at the point x equals 3.
Wala po yun. Wala po yun. I-erase mo yun.
Yeah, no, which one?
So, okay, kung x equals 3, ano yung value ng y?
When x is equal to 3.
Okay. So, y is then equal to 9
minus 12
1.
plus 2.
Okay. Minus 6 minus 7.
Okay, yan na. Okay, so nahanap na no lahat. So equation tangent. So let's go to number 10. So yung coordinates ay 0, negative 8. Okay. So 11.
Yes, okay.
2.81. X minus 5. I think teka, pwedeng medyo mahaba kasi itong problem na to eh. So, para clear, state in words or lagyan mo ng annotation yan. What does this answer represent? So, point A. Tapos, yung negative 1/3, negative 11/9. The normal. Sige. So, ano pa? Calculate the coordinates. Find the equation of the tangent. Calculate the coordinates of the point on the curve at which the normal. On the same diagram, sketch the curve, the tangent, and the normal.
Po yan. Desmos?
Kahit si Desmos na.
Okay. Where is Desmos? Desmos?
This meeting is being recorded.
X with
Okay.
Brabam.
Calculate the coordinates of the point.
Ano kasi yung tangent? I forgot the tangent. Nasulit yan. Meron na wala.
So, kanina may equation of the tangent at A.
Y equals to B. Slope, anong slope? 3. Y minus 1. Y is equal to 3 minus 5. Saan yung A? Ayan.
Okay.
Okay.
Tapos, yung the other thing na kailangan natin,
Is the normal?
normal wear. Okay na mag-zoom out ka kasi hindi yung normal na kailangan natin hindi dadaan sa A eh.
I mean, normal. Why is it normal? My minus one. Will do na. Hindi ko na ayos yun. Yung bilang. Hmm.
Teka, yung anong normal na tinutukoy natin sa problem dito?
Normal. Normal parallel to the tangent. Hindi ko po alam. Normal to the curve at point A or the normal na parallel to the tangent. Hindi ko po alam.
Okay, yung normal parallel to the tangent at A.
Okay. Normal parallel to the tangent. Ano yung normal parallel to the tangent? Ay! Delete lahat. Okay. Normal points. Mhm. 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 Yes, I see. Abo.
So parallel sila. Pakita ko lang yung itsura ng curve na dinrawing ko. So send you yung picture. Kasi para lang makita mo yung itsura pag ginlock on graph paper. Okay, so once nakita mo na yan, yung number 12 na.
Yun yung tatlong division. Itong made na 5 mm inch.
The point.
Opo. Sa taas. Hmm. 0, 1. Teka, paano mo nakuha yan? Anong condition? Where the normal meets the curve again.
Okay, so ano yung ang sinabi? So the normal to the curve is parallel to the line 3y minus x equals 9. So bakit wala kang derivative anywhere? So yung k equals 1, okay na yan. Pero ang tanong, di ba, kailangan mong gamitin yung derivative para mahanap yung coordinate. 9 plus 1/3 x is teka, yung y equals 9 plus 1/3 x. Yan ba yung galing sa 3y minus x equals 9?
Ito mo.
So, x plus 9 is 3y. Y equals 1/3 x plus 3.
Okay lang.
Medyo complicated yung statement niya eh. So, tingnan natin isa-isa. The normal to the curve at the point -1, 2 is parallel to the line 3y minus x equals 9. Okay. And then if you solve for y, dapat yung 9 madi-divide din by 3. So dapat y equals 3 plus 1/3 x instead of 9 plus 1/3 x. So 3 dapat yan. Okay. So perpendicular, kaya dy dx is -3. Ngayon, calculate is para the normal to the curve. So, ganito. Ngayon, is parallel to the line, the normal to the curve y at the point 1, -2. Actually, redundant yung condition eh. Tingnan mo. Pag sinubstitute mo yung -1, 2 dun sa y, kuha mo na yung k eh. May redundancy siya. Hindi, sige. Isulat mo.
Nalito pa habang nag-alala sa
Kaya, sulat ko. So, punta ako sa Jamboard. Ngayon, sa amin. Sorry. May nawawala naman yun. Kaya, buksan ang ilaw. Kaya pag yung stylus, itim din eh. Okay, so, tingnan natin. So nasa Jamboard ako ngayon. Ngayon, yung condition na binigay, diba? Y equals 2x squared plus kx plus 1. Ngayon, it passes through -1, 2. So, makukuha natin 2 equals 2 times -1 square plus k times -1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we can solve for k equals 1. So hindi pa natin kailangan yung condition ng tangent para makuha yon. Just the fact na dumadaan sa negative 1, 2, automatic makukuha na natin yung y. So, ang implication, if we say, makukuha natin, so 2x squared plus x plus 1. Ngayon, yung dy dx is just 4x plus 1. Ngayon, ang sinabi is the normal to the curve is parallel to the line. 3y equals 3y minus x is 9. So ang consider 3y minus x equals 9. So makukuha natin 1/3 x plus 3. So sinasabi niya na so 3y equals x plus 9 divided by 3, 1/3 x plus 3. Ang sabi ay calculate the coordinates of the point where this normal actually itong part na to hindi natin kailangan. So walang color din. So kahit na ito hindi kailangan eh. Kasi enough itong part lang na to yung dy dx makukuha natin yung normal at 1, -2. So when x equals -1, 4 times -1 plus 1, -4 plus 1, -3. Ano yung normal?
1/3.
So 1/3. So alam natin yung gradient. Alam natin dadaan sa 1, -1, 2. Saan yung next page? So m equals -1/3 passes through -1, 2. So y minus 2 equals -1/3 x plus 1. Calculate the point. So ito yung gradient ng normal, no? So the gradient of the normal is 1/3. Teka, bakit? Tama ba yung gradient ko? Teka, check ko lang yun. No? So dy dx is -3. Yung normal ay 1/3. Teka, tama ba? X is -1. -1. Okay, so -4 plus 1, -3, so 1/3. Okay, so ito yung slope of normal and passes through. Ito. Okay, so y minus 2 equals -1/3 times x plus 1. And then you can solve for, so y equals -1/3 x, 2 minus 1/3. So -1/3 x, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. And then kailangan nating hanapin, calculate the coordinates of the point where this normal meets the curve again. So -1/3 x plus 5/3 equals 2x squared plus x plus 1. Kasi gusto natin malaman yung intersection. Ngayon, bakit ganito yung, kaya check ko lang yung signs. 4x plus k the gradient of 3y minus x is 1. Kaya, check lang. Gusto ko rin check yung sequence. So, nakuha natin na k equals 1. And then, differentiate 4x plus x, 4x plus 1. Kapag x is negative 1, negative 4 plus 1, negative 3. So, yan yung tangent. And then, the normal is 1/3. Okay, tama naman. So, y minus 2, negative 1. Kaya, ba't nagkakaloko yung sign? Negative 3. So, tama, 1/3. So, bakit nagpalit ng sign to? This should be positive 1/3. So, 1/3 plus, so ito, plus 1/3, and this is 2 plus 1/3, 3 times 2 is 6, 7/3. So, ito yung equation ng normal. So, ito, clean up lang natin. So, negative 1, ba't naging negative to? 1/3 plus 7/3 equals 2x squared plus x plus 1. So, dito, makukuha natin yung point, yung intersection ng normal with the curve. Anyway, graph mo yung mga yan. So, graph mo yung equation na 2x squared plus x plus 1. Tapos, graph mo yung equation ng normal. Just to check. Anyway, pag nakuha mo yan, pag nakuha mo ni x, you can get yung corresponding y, and then you'll get the point where the normal meets the curve again. Graph ko sa Desmos kasi mahirap i-visualize yun pagka sige, so tingnan ko yung over 3 ba? Plus 7/3. Ayan. So, yan yung point na dadaan yung normal, no? Ngayon, check natin yung condition. Is the normal to the curve parallel to the line 3y minus x equals 9? So, pakigraph yung 3y minus x equals 9.
Yes.
Parallel. So, tapos, calculate the coordinates of the point where this normal meets the coordinates again. So, ayan. Okay. So, ang kailangan mong gawin dyan yung algebra na para ma-check kung lalabas talaga yan.
Abo.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, kuna kong picture yung solution ko dito para pwede mong tingnan. One. May redundancy lang talaga sa conditions. Kasi pwedeng gamitin mo yung derivative and then naka-note na rin dun sa sa solution ko. Okay. So, ito yung 12, no? Okay. So, for next meeting, which is on Thursday, pakituloy ng number 13. And then, yung next ay rates of change na. So, ang idea behind rates of change is, ano ko lang yun, explain na ng mabilis para may idea ka, and then you read the rest. Yeah. So dito sa dito may encounter mo na yung idea ng related rates. Ano ba examples ng related rates? For example dito ay so we'll first talk about yung tinatawag na parametric equations, which is actually something that shows up sa physics. So for example, kung gusto mong i-describe yung motion ng isang particle, you can have a function of t. So tawagin natin tong f sub 1 of t, and y is another function, f sub 2 of t. So this is known as a parametric equation. T is the parameter, and yung kailangan natin ay dx dt, dy dt. Usually kailangan natin yung dalawang yan. Kasi kung ang context ay physics, ito yung derivative with respect to time, yan yung components ng velocity. Kung second derivative, components sa acceleration yan. Sometimes, yung nangyayari dito, hindi binibigay explicitly yung parametric equation. Minsan, ang na-encounter na situation, ganito. Y can be described as a function of x. So, tawagin natin f of x. Tapos, known yung dx dt. So, since y depends on x and x depends on t, you can use the chain rule to get the derivative of y with respect to t. So itong part na to, this becomes f prime of x dx dt. So may mga makikita kang examples dyan sa chapter na yan. Sa next subsection. So work through that. So just work through them example by example. Ano naman siya yung malinaw naman yung book as long as ginagawa mo talaga siya Okay? So, i-update mo sa Thursday kung anong nangyari. Tapos, total may access ka naman dito. So, kung gusto mong i-download Although tingin ko hindi naman worth downloading tong notes natin, yung sinulat natin for today eh. Pero it's up to you. Okay? So, we'll stop here and then I'll see you again Thursday, 5 p.m. Bye-bye.
Okay po.
Thank you
Okay
po.
po.